To set up parental controls on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. Inside you'll be able to find the parental controls right here. You can click on it and then turn it on. Now you will need to create a password that you're gonna use to unlock apps. So let's add something like that. Then move to the next step. From here, you'll be able to log in or create your account for the parental controls. In case that you forgot this password, you'll be able to recover it. So you can enter email address, then retrieve the code from the email that was sent and get the code right here. Now I'm gonna skip it with not now, and after that we'll be able to select which apps will be locked for parental controls mode. In this case, let's leave it like it is. So for example, as you can see right here, we have multiple different apps that are being locked, and actually it's even, I think, all of them. And now if I try to access one of those apps, for example YouTube, I will need to know the password to access it. As you can see right here, now I can watch YouTube. So that is basically how the parental controls work. It is basically the app lock. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.